On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype, we make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on? A blessed and wonderful Monday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I have two stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch this entire blog so you can get a better understanding of what is really taking place in the lives of these two young women. So now, my peeps, this video will definitely be one that is different from the norm that you have seen on the Spot News Media. This video is going to be, however, heartbreaking and heart-wrenching for some, because this video is rather an emotionally compact one. This video will definitely be breaking some hearts. But the difference about this video, it is actually aimed at breaking some hearts, because we want to help these persons as much as we possibly can. So many of our Jamaicans are out there hurting. So many of our Jamaican citizens needs our help, and these two persons, I can promise you, most definitely need our immediate attention and assistance. In however way, shape or form we can give to these two persons, they need it. I'll also be posting it on my Instagram, and I am asking each and every person listening to the voice of On The Spot News Media right now to go over my Instagram page after this video and share those videos with the Prime Minister, the Minister of Health, the Minister of Culture and Gender Affairs, and share it with just about every single person in your contact so that we can try and get them the necessary help needed. On The Spot News Media is presently asking each and every person listening to my voice right now to share this YouTube video as much as you can, and also share and tag the Prime Minister and other ministers who can help these two persons over there on Instagram. Tag them, tag the Star, tag the Gleaner, tag TVJ, CVM, Radio Jamaica, everybody who can help so we can get the necessary assistance for these two young women. Now, the first person is definitely no stranger to On The Spot News Media. I'm speaking about this young woman presently on our screen, Danielle Hutchinson, who suffers from chronic seizures and has to be constantly on medications, some of which gives her suicidal tendencies, and she gets really upset and angry, use a lot of curse words and enrage basically, but not a harm to anybody, more so to herself than anybody. And this heartfelt and heartbreaking video clip that she sent to me and asked me to share it with you, the regular members of Chan Public, trust me, it's one of the most heartbreaking videos that I've ever shared. She has been constantly abused by family members who is either not very educated to the sickness that she is presently undergoing, and also the medications that she has to take. One such medication is called Keppra. So for the medical persons listening, would understand that Keppra has some rare side effects that does not affect everyone, but it affects different persons differently. And it puts her into a angry state sometimes. And as I said earlier, she's more of a danger to herself than others. Now she's asking for help in this video clip sent to On The Spot News Media by Danielle Hutchinson. Listen.
My name is Danielle Hutchinson. You guys have seen one video of me posted on this website, On The Spot News Media. And I want to thank you all for reaching out and lending a helping hand. This will be my second video because today a lot has happened and I really wish to share with you all. So basically, the pill I take for my seizures, more than one basically, the apovalproic, phenobarbital, and Keppra, I take all for my seizures. The Keppra though has rare side effects that I go through. Suicidal tendencies, uncontrollable anger, and seething rage fits. When these happen, I cannot control my anger. I scream, I shout, and I curse a whole lot. I do that a whole lot. And I shout at people around me. What happened today is, today my cousin got me upset. I went into her house and got angry, but I did not destroy her house. I just got angry and threw water in the place. And I screamed and I shouted. And what happened is, she whipped me. When I came out of the house, I got whooped. I got whooped when I came out of the house. My mother also came by and she used a rope and beat me with that rope. This man will share a picture of my leg on this website also. She whooped me with a rope and they tied me down to a bed. My cousin, he slapped me in the face. If you can see my face here, my eyes are a bit swollen. My face is a bit swollen because I got slapped in the face repeatedly. I get whipped, I get slapped almost every time my Keppra rage comes out. If you guys research Keppra rage, you will understand that it's actually real. This is real. Keppra rage is real. It's something I cannot control. When I get angry, I cannot control. And no one understands. Every one of my family members, the guys, they've slapped me in the face. My brother strangled me. My daddy held my neck and slapped my face. My cousins, they've slapped me in the face repeatedly. My mother, this is the second time she has whipped me. This is the second time I've gotten whipped. And I'm tired. I actually have nowhere to turn because I'm tired. I'm really, really tired. I'm just tired. I want to know what you guys think and what you guys think is the best route for me to take because I literally have nowhere to turn to. I am tired. I am really, really tired. Help. Help. Someone please help me.
Now, my peeps, as much as On The Spot News Media would have wanted to be a person that has all the answers, unfortunately, he does not. So we're asking you, the regular members of Jan Public, to help Danielle Hutchinson to seek the best medical care possible and to reach out to our family members, especially those persons listening who knows our family members, and see if we can have a medical personnel speak with them so that they can be more educated as to the type of sickness that she has and the negative reactions that she will get from taking some of these medications. I'll also be sharing her GoFundMe information in the description section for those who can find that description section. For those who can't, I will be posting a screenshot presently on your screen right now so you can type out that HTTPS and find her specific GoFundMe and donate if you can. You can also reach out to Danielle Hutchinson at 1-876-420-8505 and have dialogue with her. She is very much open and welcoming to persons who have a positive word of advice for her. So my peeps, please assist. Now she sent pictures of the abuse. I'm not even sure if I should share that here on YouTube because it is rather disturbing. But then again, I will, because this video is aimed to break some hearts so that persons can reach out to her and give her the necessary assistance needed. Now on your screen is a picture of her leg. As you can clearly see, the marks of violence, and on this picture is her face where you can see her eyes are slightly swollen. So my peeps, please reach out to Danielle Hutchinson and also to the parents of Danielle Hutchinson, because I'm pretty sure someone will send you this video and you will definitely say a lot about On The Spot News Media, but I don't judge, and I would really love to have a sit down and talk with you, the parents and our family members of Danielle Hutchinson, to hear what you have to say. So if you care to do so, please reach out to On The Spot News Media at onthespotnewsmedia@gmail.com or On The Spot News Media 876 on Instagram, and send me a DM and we will definitely have dialogue. As for the next young woman, I would have to bring that to you in subsequent newscast because her video has certain music playing in the backdrop, which is definitely a copyright infringement on YouTube. So I will definitely make contact with her to do a voiceover so we can bring that to you, the regular members of Jan Public. But as for Danielle Hutchinson, please share the video, go over Instagram and share and tag the video in as many persons as you possibly can. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.